Yo, it's me, Ben Tai Lao, and today I'll teach you how to fix Kiss Anime, because it's been, stinged by Australia. Uh, so if you're in Australia and you have this problem, this is gonna be how you fix it. So what you do, you wanna go into Google, you're gonna type in Google DNS, and then you're gonna click on Get Started. I'll put the link in the description. You're gonna scroll down to Google Public DNS IP addresses, and you'll see both of these stuff. Then from here, you want to go into Control Panel onto your computer. Then you want to click on View Network Status. Alright, so if it's too fast, you're going to click View Network Status and Task. Then click Change Adapter Settings. Then you click the Ethernet. Some people might have 5 of these Internet things, but just click on the one without an X, or the one that's working for you. So you right click on it, then click Properties. Then from here, you'll want to find Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties on that. So you want to click on it and highlight it and then Properties. Then from here, you want to click Use the following DNS servers and server addresses. Click on that. Then from here, you want to type in 8888 on the top. So 8888. Then on the bottom, you want to type in 844, like here, 8888 8844. As you can see, 8888 8844. Then you click OK. Then you want to scroll down and you want to go and find Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6. Click on that, properties. Then you want to click use the following DNS server addresses. Click that bubble. Then you want to copy and paste the top one over here and put it on the preferred DNS server. Then you want to click scroll down and copy and paste the bottom one and place it on the bottom to alternative. Then you click OK, and that should fix Kiss Anime, as you can see. Let's go into bookmark list. If you're on a laptop, I recommend you disconnecting your Wi-Fi and then reconnecting it. If on PC, I recommend restarting your PC. Sometimes it will show you like the 5-second thing, and then it will just say website cannot be reached. So you want to just just restart your PC if it does that. But as you can see, mine works fine and it loads up Kiss Anime before and the problem's been fixed. And to show you that it works, I'll just go into an anime, one of my lolly hentai. I'm joking, not lolly hentai. Yeah, so the government probably banned this because all you weebs and watching some lolly hentai, so I recommend staying away from that. I mean, I thought I was banned because they found my stash. So let's go into Bird96 and we're just gonna wait for the anime to load. I'll go on 1080p to show you that everything on all the quality is there and it works. Just give it a sec. There you go, it's loading up Kiss Anime, the good old sound, and we've got the anime running. Please no ecchi scene pop up. Alright, so yeah, that fixes the problem, and yeah, I'll put a tutorial for the phone soon.